Cause honey, we is going through it. Welcome to another weekly vlog of Keeping It Kosher. Today is Wednesday, January the 29th. I had to memorize the date. I want to say thank you to my new subscribers and welcome to my channel. Hope you all stay a while. And hey to all my OG subscribers. I'm gonna call y'all my OG subscribers. But hello y'all. I hope everyone is having a good day so far, or a good week so far, because it is Wednesday. And with that being Wednesday, you already know I'm at the house. I have a couple of packages that are coming today that I wanted to open with you all. So whenever they do get here, then we'll open those on camera. I think 2 of them are coming from Scentbird and 1 should be coming from Shein. I ordered some dresses. I have 2 events that are coming up. One is a Valentine's Day couples dinner. One is a Lavender and Luxe candle making class with my girls. I'm supposed to wear all purple for the candle making class, and I only had 1 purple dress, but it's like a summertime dress. I did order 2 dresses for the candle making class just to kind of decide on which one I wanted to wear. And then for the Valentine's Day event, okay, I knew I wanted to wear red, but I ordered 4 dresses. 3 or 4, I can't remember, I don't know, but it's a little expensive. Anyway, so we'll try those on and figure out which one would be better. And I was also thinking that since I did order so many, maybe I could wear one the following week, which will be my birthday weekend, and we're supposed to be going out of town. So I don't know, we'll try them on and see how they look, see if they fit right, and if they do, then I'll keep all of them. If not, then I will do this thing. So did you all know that Shein has, I didn't know this, I guess I just don't be on the app enough. That's a lie, but I don't know what the program is called, but basically if you have Shein clothing that is like either it was too big, too small, you never wore it, has tags on it, or maybe you wore it once, you know you're not going to wear it again, you can resell it on Shein. You just put in your price and resell it to whoever wants to buy it. Like, I did not know that they had that, and I'm like, I wish I would have known, because there was so much. I really wish Fashion Nova would do that, because I have at least 15 pair of jeans in there, and now they're still in my garage that were too big. So it would be really good if I could just resell them. But I did not know Shein had this deal. So I ordered a red dress about a month ago for another event that I was gonna go to, but I didn't go. And the dress was too big. It's brand new, tag still on it and everything. I was like, I'm just gonna resell this dress. So I haven't put it on there yet. I kind of like just played around with it to see how it works. You pretty much have to just take a picture of the item, have a description of whatever it is, like dress is too big, tags is still on, brand new, da 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 da. You put what size it is, and then you put how much you want to sell it for. It cannot be no more than 10 times the amount that is sold on Shein. So I was like, oh, so I can make my money back off of it. The only thing about it is like shipping is $6.99, but if you save free shipping, more than likely it'll sell faster. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go through my closet, because I got a couple of things that I recently purchased within the past 6 months from Shein that I know I'm not gonna wear it. Brand new tag still on it, or either I'm just like, it looks a little weird on me, I don't want to keep it. I did not know they had that program, and I think that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna definitely try to resell that dress that I bought to see if somebody would buy it. I don't know. So I didn't know that. Did y'all know Shein had that? I didn't know they had that. What else I need to tell y'all? I was gonna record yesterday. I had every intention to record when I came back home from the gym, but I just, after going through so many emotions yesterday with the news of President 47 saying that he was putting a freeze on the federal funds, it just kind of like, there was no clarification at first. It was just, there's a freeze. And I'm thinking like, oh my gosh, I literally start school next Tuesday. What does that say for me? And everybody else who I know is in school or trying to go to school, like, what does that, it's just, I don't know. I was a little stressed out about that. I was just, a lot of other little things was just like eating at me yesterday, and I had enough. I went to the gym, I came home, I didn't even eat dinner. I just drank some tea, snacked on a couple of Chex Mix. I put on my little eye patches and I laid down and went to sleep. I just was not in the mood. I just wasn't in the mood to do anything. So today I feel a lot better. I got some rest, prayed about it. I did see where it doesn't affect the student loans and the financial aid. So thank God for that, because you know, at the end of the day, God has the last say. So it's about what he is going to do versus what somebody else says they're going to do. So I'm a little bit better today. As long as I don't stay on social media and just keep seeing all the craziness that's going on. Like, it's just a lot, y'all. It is really a lot, and it can really take a toll on your mental. So if you feel yourself getting into like a little rut, put that phone down, put it on D&D, turn the TV off, just put on some jazz music, some lo-fi music, something, and just chill out, read a book. I don't know, because honey, we is going through it, okay? Like, this is gonna be a rough 4 years. I did go ahead and order another SIM card from off of Amazon last week. It came in yesterday. I wanted to get the 512, but I ended up getting another 128. So the one that is in my camera now is a 128, and as long as nothing is on there, I can record up to like maybe almost 5 hours. It's like 4 hours and 45 minutes in 4K. So I went ahead and got another one. If you're gonna try to start vlogging and you haven't really like looked into like the memory card size, the bigger the better. The bigger, the higher the number, the better, because I didn't know. And me trying to be cheap, I was like, oh, okay, let me go get this 16 gig, thinking that that would be enough. Nah, ma'am. Get you at least 3 of these, but the bigger, the higher the number, the better. You can start at 128, because like I said, in 4K, it'll record at least 5 hours of footage. Or get you the 512, and I think it records. Or you can get the 256, and it records up to like I said, one girl said it record like 17 hours of footage in 4K. I'm not sure about that. I said I'm still gonna get me one to figure it out, because a lot of times I be wanting to do stuff. I be wanting to record, but I have to be conscious, like cut my camera off because I don't want to have to go through all that footage, or cut my camera off because I want to save it as much recording space, memory as I can, so that I don't eat it all up. I don't know. Y'all get what I'm saying. I feel like I'm rambling. I don't think I have anything else to tell y'all right now. I'm gonna go in here and do some work because I did not eat dinner last night. I'm hungry, so I'm about to make me some breakfast, probably just like eggs and kale and maybe a bagel, and remake my coffee, drink some water, do some work, and I'll check in with y'all a little bit later. Hopefully when I come back I have the packages, so we'll see. All right, bye.
She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm what? She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm what? I'm a dog, I'm what? I just smoked already, so hard and I'm blinded. I think that's pretty baby, so I got your trust. Take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm what? She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm what? I'm a dog, I'm what? Time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm what? Take your time, I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a mighty sound.
Hello, it is a lot time later. It is currently 3:38. I am headed to go get the boys from school and then to Halo's game. They have a game, basketball game today until about 6 o'clock. And then I signed up for an aerial yoga class. So I have to leave around 6 because the class starts at 7. Just wanted to make sure I get there in time and find a good parking spot. So that's what we got planned for this afternoon. My packages did not come today. I got an email alert that said that they're going to be here Saturday. So we'll open those up on Saturday. My head feels so much better after washing my hair. It feels 10 times better. I bought rollers from the hair store. My plan is to roller set my locks. I'm going to try to do it that Friday, because the couples dinner got moved to that Saturday, which is the same day as my candle making class event. So I'm gonna be doing 2 things at one time. I'm gonna have to go there and then change and head to the couples dinner. So, but yeah, I'm gonna try to roller set my hair that Friday, Valentine's Day, to see if it'll turn out right. That's if DJ doesn't have any plans. I don't know if we got any plans to do anything that night or what, but that is my plan, to roller set my hair. So we'll see how it go. I want to, once I roller set it, to see how it is. If it doesn't look right down, then I'm gonna do like the little curly bun with the pieces. I feel like that'll be cute, and they'll go with all the outfits that I picked out to wear, because pretty much all the dresses are pretty much the same. They're just different patterns. I don't know why I did that. I literally got 3 dresses that are made the exact same. They're all 3 different patterns. Crazy, right? I know. Anyway, so I'm gonna get my babies and then head to Halo game, and I'll try to record a little bit while I'm at her game, but I'm definitely going to record when I do the yoga, so I need to save some battery on my camera. All right.
Oh, man.
There you go. All right. Come on. Come on, what a rebound. Come on. I love it. Come on. Stay on him. Stay on. There you go. There you go. There you go.
I'm coming because I want them to see all these levels. Because they would not believe this. Okay, Jada, bring the foot down. Okay, press to the heel. You doing it already. Okay, slowly bring that leg up. You are. And we're coming around to somebody who probably acting up. And is. Yes, ma'am. Point toes all the way up to the ceiling. This thing keep on swinging around. Kosha, how are you making it continue to swing?
And every time I get in the rhythm, it just, I got used to it.
Can you bring both feet down at the same time?
Both down, like this.
Straight forward.
Oh.
You know what.
Yeah.
Okay, core. Back up. See all these legs doing this. Oh, yes, ma'am. Oh my gosh.
Oh, shit. Oh my God. Whew, you can definitely tell I ain't took that class in a long time. I'm just getting home from yoga, and we did aerial yoga. That's the one with the ribbons from the ceiling. And it wasn't like a power yoga class. I mean, a power aerial. It was like more of like a mix between power and restorative yoga. But Jesus, I could just tell that I hadn't done it in over a year. Has it been a year? It's been over a year. And I am sore, baby. I'm I'm sore. That's how I know I'm gonna be feeling. I'm gonna be sore when I start back spin class too. That pain I went through before I bought the seat. Oh Jesus, everything is sore. But it was such a good class. Like when I first walked out of there, how I was feeling when I got in the car was great. It was just on that 30-minute drive home that everything stiffened up. Oh, I am stiff now, honey. Oh, I'm about to take me a hot shower and eat me something because I hadn't ate since I ate breakfast this morning. So I need to eat some food and take a hot shower and loosen up. And I will see y'all in the morning. I just want y'all to know I got home safely. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Good night. Good morning and happy Thursday. Welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is Thursday, January the 30th. Child, we finally getting through January. Jesus have mercy. I felt like January was going fast. I felt like it was going fast up until this last week. I feel like this week has gone by slow. But anywho, I am headed into work. Sorry, y'all gonna keep hearing this train because I'm near the head of the train. But I'm heading into work. Get this day over with. Bruh, you driving slow. I don't want to drive slow. I'm trying to beat the train, not join the train. I'm headed into work. Ready to get this day over with. I'm trying to see something as far as like the quality of like filming. I took my lens off because my lens does give me like that fishbowl look. It's supposed to be like a wide set camera, a wide set lens, and it gives my camera like that fishbowl look because it doesn't actually like connect onto the camera. I have to use an attachment piece. So I'm shooting. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to pass this train. I'm shooting the footage this morning in the car with the lens off, just trying to see like what it looks like. But anyway, other than that, last night I really enjoyed my yoga class. I wanted to record. I did take my camera and everything. My intention was to record, but when I got there, the class was pretty full. It's probably like maybe 12 to 15 people in the class, and I didn't want to. First of all, I didn't know if I could record. And after talking to, and I didn't see anybody else recording, but after talking to the instructor last night, which she is so cool. She is so cool. She was like, at the beginning of the class, tell me you want to record, and I could put you on a ribbon that it will only record you. You will only be in the shot. Other than that, the class was really good. I enjoyed it. I'm planning on going back, especially to her class. She teaches on Wednesday nights, so I was thinking like maybe the Wednesdays that I don't have to go into work, I could just go to the class at night because I don't want to have to drive to Macon twice in one day. I ain't got time for that. All right, y'all. I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off. I guess I'll just tap back in when I get out of work today. Hope y'all have a good day. Good morning and welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is Saturday, February the 1st. It's been a couple days since I vlogged because I really haven't done much of anything except for go to work and come home. Like, that's boring. But I'm currently headed to the gym right now. I have a couple of errands I need to run or want to run. After I leave the gym, I need to go get an oil change. And then, oh, little squirrel, you almost died. Sorry, a squirrel just ran. I'm like, babe, dog, squirrel. But I need to go get an oil change. And I want to go to TJ Maxx. To kind of find like some sets, not just like workout sets, but like loungewear sets, and to also just see like what their comforters, like the prices of their comforters, because I want to change my bedroom decor. I want to do the olive green, but at the same time, it's like when it comes to the duvets, I cannot find a duvet the color that I want. I want to go to TJ Maxx and maybe Home Goods to see like if I could find a comforter set that I might like, or either to Target to see what their Casa Luna comforters are like. I don't know. I have this pain over here on this side of my face. I think it may be an earache. I don't know. I never had an earache to my knowledge, so I don't know if this is what an earache feels like, but it hurts and I don't like it. I've been taking medicine because everybody in the house has been sick. It went from MJ to Halo. DJ is currently sick and I'm sure I'm about to get it too. So I'm feeling like I've been taking like mucus relief pills, trying to help out with like draining, because it's always like my allergies. So I've been trying to take like mucus relief pills and stuff like that, but it's like it hits me and I can like feel it in your body. You know how like your body feels when you're sick. So I'm just trying to like fight it off, but nonetheless I'm still going to the gym because I don't feel like that sick to where I can't go. Other than those errands today, I really don't have much else to do. I really want to do something to my hair because I feel absolutely just ugly. I don't feel beautiful at all. But like, and that's why I got this hat on to go to the gym, because my roots, yo, child. What else? I also wanted to go back to the nail. I don't like my nails. The girl who polished them, so the guy, it was a guy who did them. Like he did the acrylic, he shaped them and everything, beautiful. Then he had like 4 people walk in that was, I guess, appointments for him. So he left me for the girl who did my toes to polish my nails, and she don't know how to polish. Like I had kept having to tell her like, you gotta go on this side. I don't like it. Bottom line, I don't like it. So I would rather go back and get this pink polish off and just get like the French tip, because I don't too much care for it. But we'll see how that goes today, depending on how I feel. And if I really feel like sitting in the nail salon for an hour or two. That's be the other thing. I don't be feeling like doing that unless I gotta get a whole thing done. I also need to go to the grocery store today to get a couple of things. I think I might go back to Aldi and just like re-up on the stuff that we've already eaten, like fruit. The fruit is pretty much gone, so I need to go get some more fruit. And the fruit was so, y'all, those strawberries were so good. Normally we would get our stuff from Kroger, but Kroger has been slipping really bad for like the past 2 years when it comes to their fruit. Like this stuff ain't fresh. It'll be fresh for a day and then it's just rotten. But Aldi, really good. The strawberries were like crunchy. Like I like a good crunchy strawberry, but it was crunchy and also sweet. So I want to go back and get some more of those because it was really good. And the blueberries are really good. They were the perfect size. All right, y'all. Let me listen to a little bit of music, get my head right for the gym. I'll tap back in when I get to, maybe I'll probably go to Target first, because the oil shop is like in between Target and TJ Maxx. So I'll probably swing by Target first to see what they got, and then we'll go to TJ Maxx and Home Goods. So I'll pick up the camera when I go to those places. All right, bye. Oh, child. That was a good workout. That was a good workout. Worked out for 50 minutes and burned 524 calories. Today I did, like, I focused on, yeah, me and Beyonce was getting it. Today I worked on like my legs again, because I did my back and arms on Tuesday, and then I did the aerial yoga on Wednesday, which was like basically core and arms, basically full body. But today I did like hams, quads, and glutes, so I'll focus on that. And I did a little bit of calf workout too, because child, my calves are not like how they used to be. That was a good workout. You see I'm sweating everywhere. And I'm sitting here like, I might not look for workout sets, but looking at, like, okay. So I have like 4 long sleeve shirts that I basically work out in, because they're workout shirts. It's black, gray, this color, and the color, this color. So they be in constant rotation, but I think it's time for me to get some more because they're bigger, and I want to get something that's like a little bit fitting. Does it make sense? So while I'm at TJ Maxx, or either I might go to Ross too because it's right nearby, then I'll probably look for some more fitted workout shirts. Today is February 1st. My goal is to work out 3 to 4 times a week. I want to try to like get back consistent with working out like how I used to be, because I felt my best then. My rheumatoid felt its best then. Like it didn't bother me that much because I kept my body active. So I want to try to get back to that consistency of working out 3 to 4 times a week. Of course, I've been doing good with trying to watch what I eat lately, so that's been helping out. Like even though I don't eat much, I basically be eating like kids meal size meals, but that's all my stomach will want. I can't force myself to eat. And another thing is only eat when you're hungry. Don't eat just to be eating, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? But yeah, that's what I need to do. So my goal is to I'm not even focused on like weight loss goals for the month of February. I just want to get consistent. Like that's my goal, get consistent with working out and nutrition, because eventually that will help me hit my goals that I will set in like March and the rest of the year. So yeah, I don't even know if I'm in focus. I put my lens back on when I left the gym, so I don't know if you all can tell a difference, but we'll see when I'm editing. Anyway, I will see y'all when I get to the stores. All right, I have made it up here to TJ Maxx. I just got my oil changed. The cost of oil changes are crazy, but every time he tell me that price, he be like $111. I'm like, hold on, let me see if I got a coupon. I'm trying to figure out how to, they didn't reset my oil light. Reset oil. Or how to do this. I gotta go to YouTube for everything. I go to YouTube for everything, Chad. Okay, do it now.
Guys, and here today we have this 2020 GMC Acadia, and this quick video I'd like to show you
I got
how
a
to
22
change
though.
your oil
Is it
light.
gonna do it?
Change engine soon.
I'm sorry, I say 2020 to 2024.
Using this button here, go down. Okay, dismiss everything. Go down. Trip. Go left. Oh, sorry. Go down till you trip. Go down, down, down. Till you see here oil light. Okay. As you see oil light, press check mark. Hold.
Okay, I did it. Yay. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your services, sir. All right, let me run to here. I'm gonna log off my phone.
What is the look of? So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. 'Cause love, so many people use your name in vain. Love, those who have faith in you sometimes go astray. Love, through all the ups and downs, the joys and hurts. Love, for better or worse, I still will choose you first. Oh, oh, oh. Many days I've longed for you, wanting you, hoping for the chance to get to know you, longing for your kiss, for your touch, feel your essence. Many nights
I am starving so bad. Okay, so I went to TJ Maxx and I went to Home Goods. I got something out of all stores basically, but nothing of what I'm looking for. Nothing. So I'm about to go to Ross and see if I can find see if I can find any of what I'm looking for. I didn't find any good like comforter sets. For king size, I don't know why they want to make everybody have a freaking, I guess that's just a style now. But for king size comforters, they're all like beige, like the color I have now, beige, taupe, white. And it's like I just want a little color. But you know, I'm starting to think maybe it is hot. Maybe I need to take this jacket off at this point now, because oh Jesus. I wonder if I need to like possibly maybe like get white or something like that comforter set, and then get like the color I prefer, like that green color, but in a throw blanket or something. Maybe that's what I'm gonna have to do, because I can't find anything. It's getting hot and I'm starving. All right, this is my last stop and I'm going home. So let's go see what they got. All right, y'all, I made it back home. Went to Suchiro's, I think that's how you pronounce it, this place here, to get something to eat. I was trying to record there, but it was a little cold. It feels good outside, like it's 60. The highest today is supposed to be 66, but it feels good when you're in the sun. But we were sitting under the cabana, the little breezeway area, and it was cold, so. Anyway, I wanted to show y'all what I got while I was out. So I went to TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Ross. While I was in TJ Maxx, I picked DJ up some more soap, and I told y'all I was gonna get this mirror, because that mirror in the hotel showed me everything. So I went and got me one. Yes. So it's got 5 times the magnification, and I only spent $10 for it. So I went and got me one. And then when I was at Home Goods, I had saw this before. Halo want to show y'all her book bag so bad. So I got her a book bag because her cheer stuff would not fit in her bag. So I got her this book bag here. It has a little zipper here for like, she ain't gonna put something in there. I know she not. Then this compartment here is like a lunch box. Wait, I can't open it. Open it and show them. This part is like a lunch box. So she's gonna put her snacks in there. And then it has another compartment that I was like, she could put her cheer clothes in there. And then the other part has like her laptop and another notebook in it. And it has like 2 cup holders. And then like the little hidden pocket in the back. It's like a hidden pocket in the back. She said she'll put her phone in there. But yeah, I got her that book bag because I really needed it. But a couple weeks ago, I went into Walmart and found like this 0 proof alcohol. And it's like an alcohol alternative. Like they have a whiskey, a bourbon, and tequila. And I got the tequila one. So I'm gonna try it. To see how it tastes, because I kind of want a margarita and I want to try it, so we'll see what this tastes like. What else did I get? And I got MJ some sheets because he needed some, his other sheets he basically drew all over them, but he needs some new sheets, so I got some dark gray sheets. So but 2 packages came in. I'm waiting on 2 more. So the first one, of course, I want to open this up with you all because I like opening my Scentbird with y'all. And for Scentbird, I do have my link in the subscription. Not subscription. I have a link in the description box so that you can get your subscription. And I think like the first month is like, I think the first month is free and you just have to pay $3 for shipping to get to start out. So make sure you sign up if you are interested in Scentbird. So today, this one is Novitas Perfumes Amore Infinite. The notes is pomegranate, pineapple, rose, white chocolate, and Madagascar vanilla. I feel like it's gonna be sweet. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, this is good. I like this one. Okay, I like it. So again, it's called Navitas Perfumes. You can see it. And it is good. I like this one. So you can add this. And so when you go on Scentbird, you can like add whatever scents. First you're gonna do a scent profile, and it's gonna try to figure out what your smells are, and then you can like add whatever scents to your queue, and that'll be what'll come the next month or come along in the months unless you change them. So this one here smells real good. I like that one. All right, the next package that I got is, I think these here are the purple dresses, or one of the purple dresses, because you know Shein got like the quick ship, and then it has the other shipment. Yeah, this is one of the purple dresses. I'm gonna try this on real quick so y'all can see what it looks like. So this is the dress that came in. This is supposed to be one of the purple dresses that I chose to wear to the candle making event. I got this one in a 1X. I'm sure y'all done seen it because there's some girl on TikTok. She got one on and it's like green. But I like it. It's cute. So, yeah. But I'll link it. I'll put it in the description box. I might take me a nap. We have to go to DJ Cousin's house later on to kind of sit with family. So we're going to go over there and do that. But right now I'm going to take a nap. Before I take my nap, I want to try to make a margarita with this alternative tequila that I found. So we're going to do that first. So I do use this when I make my margaritas. So we're going to use that. The Ritual 0 proof tequila. So let's give it a sniff smell first compared to like other tequila. I mean, it's giving tequila. It's giving tequila, but you can definitely tell that it's not like the real liquor, but it's definitely giving tequila. No, I got a heavy pour, so the organic syrup. Swish it around, swish it around. I mean, it smells like an alcoholic beverage. Hold on. Something ain't good. No, that's good. This. It's got a little spice to it. Let me see. So it has blue agave flower, Mexican lime, tropical guava, cracked sea salt, charred oak, mesquite smoke, black peppercorn, capsicum fruit, prickly ash, and green bell pepper to make the flavor. I don't like it. I don't like it, y'all. It's because y'all know I don't like ACV, and it's really giving apple cider vinegar, and I don't like it. I had to taste this to make sure that this wasn't spoiled, and it's not that. Hold on. It's like very, I could taste the peppercorn. It's like super spicy. I don't like that. Like if you want a spicy margarita and you were not drinking alcohol, I would definitely say use that. But it has an apple, it's like the ACV taste I can't deal. If you all want to try it, I would suggest still trying it because you never know, everybody's taste buds are not the same. So I would suggest that you try it to figure out if that is something that you like. But for me, it's a no. Yeah. All right, y'all. Let me take my nap.